also a demand for an apology. That apology must come quick and fast before the 25th of this year. And lastly, the President himself pronounced himself on the order, shoot-to-kill order. He thought that he would direct that there should be no directive or order allowing the police to kill or even to maim using their weapons. So the President must come out clearly and say, under the Kenyan Constitution, the right, or rather the order to shoot to kill, has no basis in our constitutional order. Finally, this has nothing to do with the mothers and the victims, but I urge you that it shall be one time. It was a representative, the police force. Just to say,
Eric was killed there.
Yeah, in front of this gate. Yeah.
Amesema tuende maandamano next week. Makumbusho next week na wasijaribu kutumia nguo. All right.
Mama Eric was killed in front of this gate. I can remember very well. Yeah, we have to stand there.
Oh, one of the kids
Yeah, the white upload. My son was killed in front of this gate. Ilikuwa hii analalishwa hapa hivi alafu aliwa kwa ile mti chini ya ile mti. Ile alikuwa kwa ile chini ya mti akakuja kulalishwa hapa.
But I have to go now.
That's young power! That's young fever! That's young war! Party leader! That's young power! That's young fever! Ruto!
here in town. And,